Welcome to day 2 of the OFC Under-19 qualifying championship. An opportunity again for him. Can he do something about that one? Yes! Here's the whistle. Goes for his right. And the right side of the goal. Can he put something in front? And an opportunity for Richmond right there. Yes! Can he take a shot here? Yes, he has. And he delivered. This opportunity decides to send the ball through. Lopez Samuel looks on, slides the ball past the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper went the other way. Cook Islands is celebrating. So there's the score. Full time American Samoa 2, Cook Islands 3.